Patients come to Peak Dental Health oftentimes with a tooth that's missing or tooth maybe that's non-restorable, meaning we can't save it. And an implant in a nutshell would be something that would replace the tooth root, and then we do attach the tooth or the dental crown to that implant. My name is Dr. Brett Nelson. I'm the owner and dentist of Peak Dental Health here in Broomfield, Colorado. So dental implants are a relatively new treatment in dentistry that is the best way to replace a missing tooth or multiple missing teeth. Myself and my dental team here at Peak Dental Health have extensive training in not only the placement of dental implants, but the full process from start to finish. We've invested in technology, including 3D X-ray machines. We're basically able to place the implant virtually before we even touch the patient. Myself and my team here are very confident in our dental implant treatment. We've done hundreds, if not thousands, of dental implants. We've done everything from single tooth implants, 2 or 3 teeth replaced with implants, to all of the teeth replaced with implants. So we can offer the full gamut of implant treatment.